I know it's towards the end of the day, and I'm sure that a lot of you are getting somewhat tired of listening to a lot of us speak, but I'll make this brief. The topic that I'd like to quickly take you through is creating compelling brand experiences, amplifying your consumers' emotional connect with your brand, and locking in brand loyalty through gift cards and prepaid. You know, the prepaid paradigm, the whole concept is the consumers will pay upfront and trust the brand with their money for services and products to be availed of at a later date. Arguably, there's no greater manifestation of consumer loyalty than prepaid. Sorry. Branding's probably as old as mankind, as we all know. In the old days, in the Wild West, a man rode for the brand. And today, it's our consumers, our obsession with brands and what we wear, what we drive, what we use in terms of mobile phones, etc. Basically, brands have remained totems. Now, what we'd like to do is to create, any brand owner would like to create a relentless consumer movement towards one's brand. And you need to take the leap from being a brand to becoming a love mark. A love mark defined as something obsessional from a consumer's perspective. I'll skip through these because these are pretty basic, and I'm sure all of us over here have heard this many a time. Loyalty, per se, is let me put it this way, it's a bit of an ill-used word. However, loyalty has many manifestations: an intent to purchase, a propensity to purchase, going right up to repurchasing, referrals, maybe paying a premium for a particular service or a product, and so on. However, I will submit here that paying money upfront for a service or a product to be availed of at a later stage is probably the strongest manifestation of loyalty. Prepaid and gift cards is the business that our company is in, and we believe that they are capable of inspiring loyalty, creating choice, multiplying sales, which is what everybody wants, and generating cash in terms of cash float. I'll skip through these because these are very generic slides. However, suffice it to say that gifting accounts for over 15% of the total retail market in the US and the UK, with gift cards and vouchers accounting for over 25% of gifting. I'll skip through this as well because, again, it's generic. However, you can take a quick look at the numbers and they look quite significant, to say the least. The prepaid market potential in the UAE, specific to this region, we believe that these are the numbers, and they are, as I said before, very, very significant numbers. I'll just share a couple of anecdotal references. For example, it's a known fact that some of the large department stores worldwide actually achieved 12% of their top line through prepaid, which is a very, very significant number. Why do prepaids and gift cards work? Basically, it's gifting flexibility. You're offering the power of choice to your consumer. And you're offering the freedom of choice to the consumer to actually go to the retail store and pick up a product that he or she wants, instead of, buying a product and probably pre-deciding for the consumer. Brands, what do they love about prepaid cards? It's a sales multiplier. There's this hidden secret which is called breakage, which is basically the unredeemed amounts lying in a prepaid card which either expires or gets forgotten about. The technology that we are able to offer you guarantees you a very high level of security, almost like what we can describe as a banking standard auditability. Another very important perspective from gift cards are the fact that the brand receives advanced cash flows. Now, who wouldn't want advanced cash flows? Everybody is looking at managing cash flows today. The time cost of money is becoming increasingly important to all of us who are in the retail business and allied businesses. So advanced cash flows, if you're able to guarantee through an instrument like a prepaid card, makes a lot of sense. Consumer loyalty and retention, of course. Once a consumer buys a prepaid gift card, there's a significant lethargy in moving away from that brand. There were a couple of examples in the earlier panel about Circuit City and Best Buy. Actually, Best Buy's prepaid gift card is a very, very healthy contributor to their business. Incidentally, we've been going on about omni-channel all this time. the whole of today, in fact. Now, the technology that we are able to offer you is, it enables you to seamlessly transact either in your physical retail store or in your online retail store, and vice versa. And interestingly and importantly, some of the topics that we're going to cover in our panel are about social media and their impact on society, impact on people's behavior, consumer behavior. I really liked what Shaili said. It's like you don't do social, you be social. I am sorry to plagiarize that from you, but I think it's a fantastic saying. Now, just to share this with you, we've created a platform where you can actually gift your Facebook friend. It's called Friends Club. There are many forms of gift and prepaid. It could be electronic gift cards, which are eco-friendly, instantaneous in terms of delivery through the mobile phone or through the email. And of course, the traditional plastic card or even the paper card, if it comes to that. The road ahead for prepaid and gift cards, basically newer channels of purchase and reloads emerging all the time. Just imagine, you can even create a self-use paradigm. Take, for example, Starbucks. They create a habit in you as a consumer when it comes to spending. By making you buy a prepaid gift card, you simply go back again and again and again to Starbucks. We're doing this very successfully with a very large cafe chain in India called Cafe Coffee Day, as well as Hindustan Unilever Group's entity in India. They've got a cafe chain called Brew World Cafe. We're doing this paradigm very successfully. It works amazingly well, including the spa and salon category, because those categories are habit forming. To touch briefly upon mobile applications, it seems to be the panacea which will cure all ills these days. However, increasing number of consumers seem to be transacting on the mobile, so mobile gift cards are certainly the order of the day. We're told reliably by two of the largest e-commerce providers in India, whose gift cards we power, we're told that they are experiencing nearly 65% of their transactions, that is purchase transactions, coming through the mobile, which is, it's saying a lot. I mean, even 5 years ago, the penetration on the use of smartphones was so less. It seems to be growing by leaps and bounds. This is quickly about our company, Quicksilver. We are the leading end-to-end stored value solution provider, which includes gift cards, it includes promotion cards, e-gift cards, and the like. We've been pretty much creating and evangelizing the gift card market in this part of the world, largely India as well as South Asia and the Middle East as well. We power companies like Sharaf DG, the reasonably large electronics retailer here, and Lulu Hypermarkets, their gift card programs. We pretty much account for 90% of all the gift cards in India in terms of transaction processing. This is, I mean, I'm not sure how many of these customers will have relevance to you, but some of them certainly will. We power the Amazon.in gift card in India. We power Flipkart.com, which is a close rival of Amazon. Myntra, which has recently been bought over by Flipkart in the fashion business, and the other international brands like Levi's, FC UK, Lee, etc., etc., etc. Our Technovation, as we call it, is a cloud-based SaaS model. We believe that we need to participate with the brand partner and walk the path with them in terms of, our earnings. So we work on an outcome-based model. Long before it's become, fashionable to speak about outcome-based, we've been practicing it. We can manage multi-country, multi-time zone, real-time, simultaneous currency conversion capabilities. Some of the awards that we have received, in the last few years, we are a 6-year-old company, and I think we're going places. The power of choice, ladies and gentlemen, and retailers is yours. Call us or meet us after the event, and I'd be very happy to expound a little more. Thank you very much for listening.